In the meantime, today marks 23 days since Justice Brian Sykes was appointed to act as Chief Justice, quote, until further notice, end quote. Justice Sykes was appointed on February 1, with the Prime Minister coming under fire for comments which suggested the head of the Supreme Court was being placed on probation. Since then, the government has indicated that Mr. Sykes will be appointed permanently to the post. It is now 10 days since that announcement was made. This evening, TVJ News is asking the government, is the paperwork to facilitate the appointment completed, and has a date been set to complete the process 23 days after the initial appointment?
A Jamaica Labour Party councillor from St. James continues to face the heat over comments made to a female whom he referred to as, among other things, genetically inferior, young and dumb. TVJ's Janella Precious reports.
An apology this week from JLP councillor for the Montego Bay West Division, David Brown. This after a WhatsApp conversation in which he belittled a young woman went viral. Mr. Brown on his Facebook page this week suggested that he was provoked. In the WhatsApp conversation, he spoke of being young, powerful, successful, and that his family is royalty. To the young woman, he called her dirt, sick, black, ugly, and pathetic, and that she was as low as the weed that grows on toilet bottoms. He further stated that he is amazed why God creates non-productive individuals like her and said, quote, "Go back to sleep, do yourself a favor, and don't wake up," unquote. We attempted to get a comment from the JLP councillor but was directed to his Facebook page where he issued the apology. He said his responses have grossly shocked and hurt many and that he is disappointed in himself. He further stated that he is embarrassed by his action to have retaliated in such an unbecoming manner, and for that he apologizes to the people he may have hurt, insulted, and disappointed. It's still unclear whether any action will be taken against the first-time councillor. Chairman of the St. James Municipal Corporation, Homer Davis, would only say that the matter has been investigated. This latest incident comes a few weeks after another councillor from the St. James Municipal Corporation was suspended for 3 months. Michael Troop was suspended on the grounds of bringing the corporation into disrepute after he approved a payment for an assistant who did not complete the work. The resolution was brought against Mr. Troop by Councillor Brown. It's now left to be seen how the PNP local government representatives will react in light of this new development. Janella Precious, TVJ News.